Uptown Swing.
Level 1 8 count.
Maddie.
Peter, y'all were crushing it. It looked really good by the end there. Really like some improvement today. So remember, footwork practice is your main thing. Bop, 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 Do that a whole bunch. Do it for a whole song, once a day if you can. It's not that long, 3 minutes. We reviewed the double turn. And we just said, yo, leaders, you got to say way more, and make a big circle. When a leader started speaking clearly like that, it fixed a lot. And when the followers didn't randomly stick their arm up, you had them do what?
Having it still in our sight line, but not going behind us, not right in front of our face, just here where we can still follow it and not going straight up in the air so we can't hear anything the leader's leading.
And on the other one, remember it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 has to happen, 5 has to happen. Followers, you gotta let your feet pivot on the floor. Y'all did great with that. They got a lot better. And then we did swings. I'll do solo stuff for a second. Leaders, your solo stuff was rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Remember, it doesn't have to be big. But if you practice this, keep it open at the end, 5, 6, 7, and keep it there. If you do this, this could be your solo practice, leaders. You do some in place and do some like this. That'd be great work because we want to work on not pulling our followers like this and not fake moving them, but moving them genuinely just with our dancing.
Followers, we talked about swivels or twists. We practice it just in our regular 8 count footwork. We went rock, step, triple, step, step, get ready, and twist, twist, triple, step, step, get ready, and twist, twist, triple. You can do that as your solo practice. If you want to just practice twists, just stepping and working on the shape of them, you can do this at home, hang on to a doorknob or a countertop and just really try and feel that muscles working in your core here. That's a great thing to practice on your own.
And we did some swing outs and some not swing outs. So I might swing out sometimes and just like leave my partner there. She's just going to keep on twisting. This is a practice. I wouldn't say this is social floor stuff. It's weird to do that, but for practice, this can be great. Swinging out, hey, ha, ha. I'm swinging it out. Sometimes I don't. I do 8 count footwork. She twists like crazy, and when I move, then we go back into the steps. Hey, we just hang it out. And followers, you're not trying to come in every time. You have to be convinced. That's it.